Bulbasaur, I think it's time for a PlayStation review.
Bulbasaur!
Hey guys, it's Mr. Bibby Bear here, back with another episode, and in this we'll be doing a quick review on the new Sony PlayStation Days of Play edition. Let's jump into the video. Now guys, looking at the specs of the PlayStation, it consists of an AMD Jaguar 8-core CPU clocked at 1.6 GHz, it has a memory of 8GB GDDR5 RAM, and the graphics is an AMD Radeon producing 1.84 teraflops, and a hard drive of either 500GB or 1TB. Now looking at the front of the PlayStation 4 Slim, you will see two buttons. One is the power button that lights up blue, and the other is the eject button for the disc tray. You will also see at the front two USB ports that are version 3.1 that are actually separated and not together, and at the back you will see an 8-pin connector with the camera port, the HDMI port, and the Ethernet port. Sadly, there is no optical output, which can be a bummer for some people. As well, looking at the base of the PlayStation, it also has the added shapes on the bottom, which does give its own flair to it, which I quite like. And looking at details on the side of the PlayStation, it also adds those shapes. Now let's take a look at the controller that came out of the box. Now comparing it with the old first generation controller, there are only small differences. The buttons on the newer second generation has a lighter grey colour compared to the old controllers, and you have the gold shapes on the touchpad alongside the flashing front-facing lights. And to tell the difference of PS4 controller generations, you simply have to look at the barcode numbers, and if you see it starts with a 2, it typically is the newer generation controllers. Now replacing your hard drive in your PlayStation is really easy. All you have to do is push the flap to the side and then remove the screw. Then you can pull out your hard drive, and all you have to do is remove 4 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver, which you will see right here that I'm doing. And once you do that, you will see you got the old 500GB slow 5400 RPM hard drive replaced with an SSHD, which is 1TB now. I simply do the same thing, put the screws back in and push back the slot, update the software, and I'm done. Now, originally booting up the PlayStation, it came with a system software of version 5.07, and the storage was only 408GB out of the full 500 gigs. However, I was very pleased with the new 5GHz Wi-Fi, which gave me amazing speed results. And now here's a quick fan noise test. Now here's a quick gameplay test of Fortnite. The fans did kick in a little bit, however it wasn't as loud as the original PlayStation 4. Now overall, this PlayStation is just like any other PlayStation 4 Slim. It is just the blue and gold color, the limited edition, that's all you get with it, but I am really liking that new style. Now guys, let me know what games you are currently playing right now, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one.